On my way to the Eire Pub. First couple of beers. How did you get here today?
I walked down with my tight jeans on.
How do you feel about your third beer?
Are you talking to me? Yeah. No, you're looking at Dad. It's a video. 3 more seconds. 2, 1.
Really healthy food, no calories. Drinking the whitey. Blizzard of 2015. Cindy, how was your whitey?
Delicious.
I got the video. Taste your whitey.
Whitey. Bravo.
Whitey
Good whitey,
for the
bad
white
whitey.
out. You want to get on the whitey?
What? It's my 5th chicken wings.
But no mashed potatoes. How is your diabetes?
I don't even know what to say. I got nothing to say.
Yeah? Are you going to read this?
Yes.
Okay.
Hey, Jalen.
Why
How are you?
Why are you cranky?
I went to bed at 10 o'clock this morning. I save lives for a living.
Did you sleep?
Why are you so fucking hyper?
Please.
Is it a problem that my video is longer than 10 seconds?
No, mine's 25. You have to send it to me.
say this might get really funny tomorrow?
Yeah.
Stop it! Stop it! What are you, a little English boy? Stop it, please, sir. Stop it. Yes, sir. Can I have another?
Here's 41 seconds.
This is awesome. I get your video. You guys suck.
Joanne and Michael, they just joined the Blizzard party. How did you guys get here?
We walked.
What beverages have you had?
One.
What are you drinking?
No, light.
Rum and Coke.
And this is your first beer of the night.
No, my second.
Okay, second. Can you say stay tuned?
Stay
Can
tuned.
you tell us what we're doing right now?
We are playing left, right, center.
Is this gambling?
No.
Well, it depends. If Jalen takes all the money, then I guess it's a dictatorship.
Jalen keeps winning the game.
It's legal.
Yes.
No, it's not.
Can you repeat after me? Stay tuned.
Stay tuned.
I know, I shouldn't really be touching it. Are you getting Whitey's or beers? Alright.
Why aren't you getting
Why aren't you getting
There's a lot of gambling going on. John Stenson doesn't know about it. Cool, Megan.
See, we do a lot of things alike.
The Knowles know Sweeney another winner in LRC,
What I'm saying is,
but we're not.
I don't know
Cindy with the left, right. Stay tuned. A better girlfriend. JoJo's the best wife ever. Let me have a girlfriend and a baby mama like these two.
What is my You gotta
Stay tuned.
1.